What happens after a person is arrested for OVI in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm an Ohio OVI lawyer, and this video is going to answer that question. Typically, the first thing that happens after a person is arrested is the officer asks a series of questions, and that's because the officer is completing an alcohol influence report. Some of those questions are things such as, how much have you had to drink tonight? How much have you had to eat tonight? Over what period of time? Have you been in an accident? Are you on any medications? How would you rate your sobriety on a scale of 1 to 10? The answers to those questions may be able to be used in court, and so they can be a very important piece of evidence. Of course, you would be considered to be in custody at that point, so if the officer had not issued Miranda warnings, then those statements may not be admissible at all. Another thing which takes place after the arrest in an OVI case is a request for chemical testing. In nearly every OVI case, the officer is going to ask you to take a blood test, a breath test, or a urine test, or even all three. Now, the issue of whether to take the test or not is a big topic and is going to be the subject of another video. For this video, suffice it to say that that is one of the most important things that takes place after an OVI arrest. After the questioning and the chemical test, typically there's also booking. And when they talk about booking, they're referring to a photograph, a mugshot, or fingerprints, things of that nature. And after the booking is done, then the officer makes a decision whether to take you to jail or to release you to somebody from the police station. In most cases in Ohio, they just release you from the police station, but there are some exceptional cases where you're taken to jail. Whether you were taken to jail or arrested and released, if you were charged with OVI, you're probably feeling overwhelmed. That's natural. What I recommend doing in that situation is first educating yourself. A good way to do that is to review the other videos and the content on my website about OVI cases. And a final way to do that is to download the ebook for free from my website. In any event, I hope that you find that this video and all of those other resources are helpful.